Navigation. In this video, we'll cover navigation to help familiarise you with the Sage 50 Accounts desktop. At the top of your screen, you can locate the menu options. The main Accounts desktop area can be found here, and the navigation bar is located on the left-hand side. The navigation bar gives you access to the main ledgers. For example, to create or access customer records, click Customers. Within each ledger, the toolbar along the top gives you access to related options in the ledger. For example, to add a new customer, click here. The File menu enables you to switch between your live company data and the demonstration practice companies. It also includes options which enables you to manually backup your company data, schedule backups, check your data, and restore your live company data. The Edit menu contains handy shortcuts to help you edit your transactional data. The View menu enables you to turn the status bar on or off, as well as access the Advice Center. The Modules menu includes the options that are available through the navigation bar down the left-hand side of your screen. The Settings menu enables you to access your company information and the defaults for the software. Next, the Tools menu, which enables additional modules to be activated in the software, and complete tasks such as month-end or year-end. The Favorites menu shows any reports you have flagged as favorites. The handy Web Links menu contains links to several Sage web pages and third-party web pages such as HMRC. The Software Updates menu enables you to check for any updates to your Sage software. Finally, the Help menu gives you access to our online help center and remote support. Your navigation options in Sage 50 Accounts can be customized to suit your needs. To do this, right-click on your navigation bar on the left-hand side. A list menu showing all of the modules appears. To hide any modules you don't use, select that option to hide it from the navigation bar. For example, selecting Diary will remove the option from the navigation bar. To switch a menu option back on, right-click the navigation bar again and reselect the option. Alternatively, to reset the navigation bar back to its original state, click Use Defaults. To customize the toolbar in each ledger, right-click on the toolbar and from the menu select the options you wish to show or hide. A similar option is also available for your column headings. To navigate around the software using your keyboard, press the Alt key at any point to display a shortcode next to each option. Now type the code to access the relevant option. For example, to open the Invoices and Credits module, type 07. To hide these shortcodes, press the Alt key again. For further help and support, access our online help by selecting the Help icon in the top right of the screen or press the F1 key. You have now learned how to navigate within Sage 50 Accounts.